Self-practice 4.2 question 1. Solve the following equations. Right. So here we need to solve this. They say this equals to this. So if you want to solve this and compare, the base numbers here must be the same. So 4 and 8, we can reduce it to 2 power something. So 4 is 2 squared, x minus 1. 8 is 2 cubed, x plus 3. So now we can go ahead and expand these powers. So we get 2 power 2x minus 2. This equal no need lah. 2 power 3x plus 9. Okay. Since they said this equals to this, and we have base 2, so we can conclude and say this must equal to this. So we can say 2x minus 2 must be equals to 3x plus 9. Then we try to make x the subject lah. So 2x you can bring over that side, 9 we bring over this side. So 3x minus 2x, here will be negative 2 minus 9. So this gives us x, negative 2 minus 9, negative 11. So we can say x is negative 11. Done. B. Okay, B is a bit different. B, we cannot make all these into same bases. So what we do is we try to expand this. So 3x plus 3 is 3x times 3 power 3 minus 3x times 3 square equals to 2. So 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9. So you can say 27 3 power x minus 9 3 power x equals to 2. So this we can simplify now. We have 27 oranges minus 9 oranges. So 27 minus 9, you get 18 oranges. So 18 3x equals to 2. Now this 18 we can move over here, become divide. So 3 power x is 2 over 18, which simplifies to 1 over 9, which we can convert to base 3 lah. So 9 is 3 squared, so you can say 1 over 3 squared. Then we have 1 over, right? So this 1 over will become negative 2. So you can write this whole thing as this. Whenever you have 1 over, you can just put a negative lah. So now we know 3 power x is 3 power negative 2. So since this is 3 and 3, we can say x is negative 2. Done. Okay, let's look at the last one, C. C, we have 8, 4, 64. So all these we can bring it down to base 2 as well. 8 is 2 cubed, x minus 3. 4 is 2 squared, 2x over 64. 64 is 2 power 6. Okay, if you do a few questions, then you'll already get used to these numbers lah. 64, 8, 4. 32 will be 2 power 5 and so on. Right. So now we can try to expand and simplify. So this one we expand here. 2, 3x minus 9. This one will be 2, 4x over 2 power 6. So if we have divide and the bases are the same, we can say this is equivalent to 2, 4x minus 6. Right. Now we can, since the base is same, we can compare the power lah. So we can say 3x minus 9 is 4x minus 6. So 3 we bring over that side, 6 we bring here. So 4x minus 3x, this is negative 9 plus 6. Negative 9 plus 6 will be negative 3. So x is negative 3. Done. That's it.